Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Gas Station Owner Outsmarts Dumbest Teen Robber. Let's see how he outsmarts the dumbest teen robber. Let's get into it.
What happened was, last week, 3 young kids go in there and grab the tea, the vodka and seltzer tea.
Okay.
All right? And they steal it, and they walk and they run. Well, they did it last week again. And I went out to the park and I said, don't come back again. That was the first time I've ever seen them. So there was sheriffs parked out here while this was going on.
Oh.
I went over there and I told the sheriff's department, I said, they just stole some beer.
That was tonight or?
That was last week.
Gotcha.
So the sheriffs went after them and caught them, took them to their parents' house and brought the beer back that they stole.
Okay.
Okay, that was last week. Well, tonight, one of them came in by himself, walked back here and did the same thing, the same routine, grabbed a 12-pack or whatever, and started walking over here to the camera aisle, acting like he was on the phone. I recognized him and I stood right by the door. I told him, bro, put the case down, put the beer down. You know you're not old enough to drink. And I said, as a matter of fact, you tried stealing beer last week. And he says, I'm not leaving here without. And I said, bro, I can even smell the alcohol in you.
So he was already drunk?
Yes. So he's over here. He tries to walk by me. I grabbed the case and threw it on the floor. He falls to the floor. His sister evidently was with him. I did not know. She comes, grabs the case, and starts running. He gets up, punches me in the nose.
In some states, assaulting an employee in the commission of a theft can result in a strong-armed robbery charge, depending on the circumstances.
There's a customer out here watching everything. He's filming everything. Punches me in the nose.
Boy, oh my God, that was such fire editing. Yo, Midwest Safety, like, yo, listen, this is how I know, you know, some of these channels that I react to and stuff like that, they starting to tap in and take notice. Like, you know, shout out to the boys, unspoken crime murders and stuff. Like, yo, listen, I give credit what credit is due, because I like the whole process of, you know, y'all going to get the footage and all of that, but like the editing for this was so fire. And I like Midwest Safety because the dude who runs that is I think a 911 dispatcher or whatever, or a 911 operator or whatever. Yeah, dispatcher. Yeah, that's the same thing. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? So I know they putting in that work over there. You know, got the cop, you know, on the show and everything, and you know, but yo, that was fire editing, the way that they just transition. Oh, he punched me in the face, boom, and then the little snippet right there. Oh my God, that was fire. Like, yo, y'all editing team is on point, boy.
So he's over here. He tries to walk by me. I grabbed the case and threw it on the floor. He falls to the floor. His sister evidently was with him. I did not know. She comes, grabs the case, and starts running. He gets up, punches me in the nose.
In some states, assaulting an employee in the commission of a theft can result in a strong-armed robbery charge, depending on the circumstances.
There's a customer out here watching everything. He's filming everything. Punches me in the nose. I fall back. I'm 68 years old. I'm trying to kind of stuff. And I didn't expect him to hit me either.
Right.
So he starts running. That was tonight. I'm sitting in my car about 9 o'clock, smoking a cigarette, talking to my girlfriend, telling her what had just happened. While I'm on the phone with her, that young girl walks up with her brother, who's about 6 feet. He's wearing a mask, shirtless. She walks in, and I told her, get off the property. She walks in, boom, grabs another 12-pack, runs out. He stays around, starts flashing his ass, and goes away. Then about when I called you guys just now, about 10 minutes ago, he comes up with a bat, starts swinging it, threatening, and he goes outside and breaks one of our pumps. By that time I had already locked the door.
Right.
Okay? He breaks our pump.
Okay.
The sheriff's department know who they are, because they went to their house last week.
Okay.
Did you get the information from the sheriff's?
Did you get a case number from the sheriff's by chance?
No.
No? Okay.
There was a call to this location If you look on the sheriff's blog and they'll see this location, you can pull it up. But yeah, they were here last week.
Okay.
And they know who they are. They went to their houses.
I'll see if I can get a hold of county and get some information about who they are.
Officers get the address of the suspect and surprise him at his house. However, the suspect's dad is also there, resulting in a surprising twist.
Yeah, please go inside.
Baby! Baby, I didn't do shit!
Hey, stop. Hey.
Dad!
Stop.
This
Hey.
is your fault!
Stop. Hey.
I didn't do
Stop it.
nothing! All I got is my...
Help him out.
Dad, please! I didn't do nothing! I didn't do nothing! Dad! Dad! Promise me you won't get mad at her for giving me your number! Give her your number! Give her everything!
Ezekiel, do you want to get in more trouble than you're in?
I didn't do nothing!
Okay, so act like you did nothing.
Then why are you guys treating me like I'm a criminal?
Why were you running away like you're a
Because
criminal?
you guys treat me like one every time! Baby, I love you!
I'm going to talk to you in a second.
I trust him! Look at me! Why won't you look at me? Brother, please, please.
I'm going to come talk to
Please,
you.
no, please, please.
I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to roll the window. I'm going to talk to you.
No, don't, please, please. Bro,
Hey, Ezekiel, okay? I'm off the couch to the Albuquerque Police Department, okay? I'm gonna read you something, then we're gonna have a chat, okay? So you have the right to remain silent, and then you say can or will use against you in court. Do you understand your rights?
what rights?
The ones I just read you.
What rights?
The ones I just read you.
What rights?
You let her know you don't understand?
That wasn't right.
Those are your rights.
That's not right.
Those are your rights.
Those aren't the constitutional rights.
Those are your Miranda rights.
Those are Miranda or constitutional rights, so try it again.
Alright.
Would you go if I let him talk to his dad real quick? Says he'll calm down. Yeah, okay.
Hey, stop!
I didn't do nothing!
You need to stop. I'm not gonna let you touch your dad if you keep acting like this.
Where am I?
Hey,
Where am I?
stop!
Where am I?
You need to chill. He might be pretending to have a stroke, but he's sitting in separate. What do you do? I don't know. He's shaking and pretending to have a stroke. You wanna unroll the window? Yeah. What did you do? He was just pretending to have a stroke.
Oh. Everything's fine.
Why is this my fault?
Listen, we're just drinking, that's all. You're just drinking. You gotta stop the drinking.
I don't give a
Okay, I'll see you in the morning. I'll see you in the morning. All right. I'm sorry. I love you. Yes, you're on probation, but we're gonna take care of that, okay?
I got warned if
I know, it's fine. It's
you
fine.
don't get it.
I do, I understand everything that's
No,
happening.
I got warned.
These guys are our friends. How many times have I told you? We are on the side of cops. We don't go against cops. These guys are our friends. We're Republican, not Democrat.
I know.
So stop this shit. You're fine. I called the lawyer. It's all set. Okay, Collins, I got it. Okay, I got it.
That boy said, hey, that boy said we Republican, not Democrat. You hear me? The father, damn, that's crazy, man. It does look like the father got some common sense with him. And then you got but the son is just a loose cannon, bro. Loose cannon. And a lot of times you don't really see this with especially the boys. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like a lot of times you see the boys act out with their mama. You know what I'm saying? Because mamas is, they let them get away with whatever, So, but when the boy is with the father, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if they together or not, whatever, but the father is active in the boy's life. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times you don't see boys acting up like this with their papa. Yeah, go act a fool with your mama. This is, daddy ain't playing over here. You know what I'm saying? But he kind of got a little, that kid is just a loose cannon, bruh.
They're gonna put you in detox. Bro. That's where you're going. You're gonna go to detox, and I'll request them to put you in medical, dude, okay? Because you need that.
He's gonna request that, right?
I can do that. Please, medical.
I can even ask for psych real quick.
Please. He's got schizo, he drinks.
You don't have to do that. We'll put you in the psych part to keep you safe.
He's
see?
with that.
Dad know he a bug out.
Stop! Okay, let's roll up the window. He's fine. I love you.
I don't have a press in my car.
Officers get ready to shackle the suspect's feet since he won't calm down.
You guys ready? Yep. So You're gonna be getting to take care of that.
I'll get his right arm. It's gonna be his left arm, and you just kind of jump in wherever you need to go for need.
Ready? Alright, Zeke, let's pick you back out so you can put this on this on. Face the vehicle for us. Thank you.
Dad! Come talk to me, please!
Right now, man. That's fine. You can stay underneath.
Can you at least give me a chance when it's done? Can you at least hug me when I'm tied up? Please.
See, this is gonna be really uncomfortable.
Let her go!
Bending down.
Let a female go. You all three men can do it. Let her go. Tell her to let go.
Hey. Zeke, it's me. She let go.
Then back up.
That's enough, Zeke. Zeke, what are you doing?
Have him move forward or I don't get up.
Zeke, she's gone.
You grab my foot, I cross. Try again, bud. Come on, aerodynamics. What are you fucking difficult?
We said we were
All right.
trying to work with you.
What did I ask?
You work with me, I work with you. But if you're not gonna work with me,
Look at me.
I'm looking at your straight eyes.
Stop pulling it up like I'm some fucking criminal.
You're the one that's sitting down.
He's more.
You're making it uncomfortable for
Sit
yourself.
back down the way you were. I trust you more the way you were.
If I go back on my knees,
If you go back down on your knees, I will calm down.
Yeesh, I'm looking at you. Get on. I need you to be on
Tell
your
him
knees.
to let go, and I will let you hold my.
That's enough.
We're not playing that game no
All
more.
right, fine.
So you need to get on your knees.
Cool.
You get on your
Hey,
knees.
but you're on your knees. You gotta.
Okay, now I'm up.
And Phil. It's the Matrix. You're right. No, do not listen to him.
Good. Yep.
Have a seat. Come on. Have a seat.
You sit down.
Straight away. Oh, let's go.
There you go, bud.
Got it. Hey, key 3210 5621.
I got a swing. I got this bitch on my big ass ding-a-ling. Come on, loosen these up. Come on, bitch. What are you doing, huh?
Hey, Ben.
Well, I gotta whip you like I'm a. What the fuck you want?
Sit down. Don't talk to me like that.
What the fuck you do? Get the fuck out of my face, white boy.
I'm just gonna put him in a
Get
hole.
the fuck out of here, hoe.
100%.
Cool.
I'll fucking headbutt the fuck out of you.
That's cool.
Steele was charged with robbery, criminal damage over $1,000, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, battery on a peace officer, and contributing delinquency of a minor. He is innocent until proven guilty.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.